Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wassalatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya wal mursalin wa ala alihi washabihi ajmain amma ba'd. The honorable judges, respected committee and all participants, thanks for this opportunity that give to me. I'm Reza Rizky Abdillah. I'm truly happy to be here today. What a biggest Allah given us, although the brain is what to be the pen and live to be the book is not enough. It's impossible if we can count it. I be witness that there is not God except Allah, and I be witness that Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. My speech is about something very close to our lives, from screen to change, empowering youth and society through digital media. So what is digital media? Some people say to me, digital media is like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or something like that. Yeah, the answer is it's not wrong, but there is this a little part of digital media. So what is truly digital media? Digital media is a content we see or hear using technology. Includes the internet, social media, online videos, website, podcasts, and apps. It's helped us to communicate with each other, share information, and also express our idea for the people around the world. Yeah, I say around the world because very different with the traditional thing. In the traditional thing, the people will say to you, you only can share your opinion, your perception, your explanation for the people around of you. But for now, it is very totally different. For now, you can share your idea, your opinion, your perception, your explanation for the people around the world by using technology. For young people today, digital media is a big part of life. Okay, after we know the definition of digital media, let's move to the function of digital media. The first is a tool for education. Digital media helps students to learn in new and easy way. Digital media helps students to learn in remote areas and access the same knowledge as those in the big cities. For example, now everyone can learn or study about English. Even you are the manager of the company, you still can learn or study about English because digital media have provided many options to learn or study. In this case, you want to learn about English. Because you are as the manager of the company, you don't have enough time to learn or study in the class. But for now, you still can access the material about English wherever, whenever you are. You can learn from YouTube that has many videos you can watch, and also you can learn from social media like TikTok, Instagram, or something like that. Yeah. There's a benefit you will get if you use digital media. Now, education is very closer and more open to everyone in the world. Okay, the next is creating jobs and business. By using digital media, you can start with a small business. For example, they can sell oil product, become a content creator, or work as a freelancer. Okay, for example, I give you easy example. For example, me. Now, I am a student at English Literature Study Program, the Faculty of Adab and Humanities, State Islamic University, Sultan Taha Saifuddin Jambi. And I learn much about English. And of course, I want to implementation my knowledge that I get in the college because I make an online course and I teach in it. And I use digital media for many things in my course. For example, when I want to make a program in my course, I use digital media. When I want to advertise my course, I use digital media. And when I want to make a group for my course, I use digital media too. From this example, we know that if someone have a creativity and knowledge, they can use digital media to improve their jobs and business. It gives more opportunities for youth with the creativity and knowledge. The next is developing digital skill. By using digital media, youth can start to learn new skill. For example, editing videos, designing graphic, coding, and also online public speaking. These skills are useful not only for the school, but also for the job and of course for the future. You should master this skill. The first editing videos, designing graphic, coding, and also online public speaking. This skill is very useful. Okay, we still remember about the memorable situation that happened in the past. The name is COVID-19, or we call it pandemic. Yeah, we still remember about that. Digital media help us to stay connected. We can learn from home. We still can get important information by using digital media. The situation show how important digital media is, how useful, how powerful digital media is. Even during the crisis, digital media can help us to stay connected. Now we know about how important digital media and how useful, how powerful digital media. But also have a risk we must avoid. For example, fake news. We know that in the social media for now, there's many fake news. because we should to make sure about the truth of the news or the information, and after that we can trust or believe with the truth of information. And the next is cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is one bad thing from the digital media. It is someone text or type a bad words for you in the social media or send an embrace photo for you. There's one kind of cyberbullying. It is very bad thing from the social media or digital media. And the next is addiction. We know that now many people cannot manage their time. When they use digital media, they can spend a long time in one day. When they use digital media, they can spend 6 until 7 hours just to use digital media. Because that, we must be smart. We must be careful. We must be kind when we use digital media. Let's use digital media, not just for fun, but for something greater. Let's use it to learn, to study, to grow, to help others. If we use it wisely, trust me, digital media make a better world for youth, for society, and of course for our future. So, do you ready for be better and get your future? I know you are ready. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.